So welcome students. In this topic, let us look at 7 secret formulas which will be very useful for you in solving trigonometric problems. So these are not basic formulas. These are derived formulas which are specifically used in solving problems. So let us go for all these formulas. The first formula is sine A into sine 60 degrees minus A into sine 60 degrees plus A is equal to 1/4 of sine 3. Similarly, cos A cos 60 minus A into cos 60 plus A is 1/4 of cos 3A. And tan A tan 60 minus A into tan 60 plus A is equal to tan 3A. So this constitutes one set of the formulas. These three comes into one set. The next formula is cos A cos 2A cos 2 square A cos 2 cube A into cos 2 power n minus 1 times A is equal to sine 2 power n A by 2 power n times sine A. That is, if you have a sequence of causes being multiplied and each time the angle doubles itself. Each time the angle doubles itself. That is, the angles are in GP with a common ratio 2. So the formula is sine of the immediate next angle to this by 2 power n times sine of the first angle. This formula will be used for product sequences containing angles in GP with common ratio 2. Next, these two constitutes one set again. Sine alpha plus D plus sine alpha plus 2D plus so on sine alpha plus n minus 1 into D. It is, the angles are in AP, arithmetic progression, with common difference D and the first term alpha. The first angle is alpha and the common difference D. You have a sequence of n terms. So the answer is sine of n times common difference by 2 by sine D by 2 into sine of alpha plus n minus 1 by 2 times D. Similarly, the formula for cos alpha looks nearly same, identical. Cos alpha plus D plus cos alpha plus 2D so on up to cos alpha plus n minus 1 into D is equal to sine nd by 2 by sine D by 2. This remains same into cos of alpha plus n minus 1 into D by 2. So these formulas will be useful for summation sequences of sine and cos where the angles are in arithmetic progression. Last formula is tan alpha is equal to cot alpha minus 2 cot 2 alpha. So if you have angles of the form cot 2 alpha, they can be written as 2 cot 2 alpha can be written as cot alpha minus tan alpha, or tan alpha can be written as cot alpha minus 2 cot 2 alpha. So these are 7 secret formulas which will be useful in solving problems. So when we solve problems, let us see there will be a lot of problems in which these 7 formulas can be used. So now let us try to derive some sample properties, why these formulas are happening. So out of these 3, I'll derive one of this. I'll show you the logic for this. Out of these 2, I'll show you the logic for one of this, and I'll show you the logic for this. So I'll give you 4 logics why these formulas work.